is Tuesday the 18th of September.
Yep.
Had a really good night's sleep, didn't we?
Really good night's sleep, yep. As you can see, the balloons are still up. They're going to be up for a little while.
Yeah, and we're off to Animal Kingdom today.
Yeah.
So it opens at 9, it's about 8:15, so we're not rushing. We might go to Navi, and we've got fast passes for
Expedition Everest.
Expedition,
and
Safari,
and Black Passage.
And then we've got lunch at
Garden Grill.
So we're going to drive this morning rather than transport, so let's see how we get on. So just to give you an idea of the temperature right now, it's 85 degrees at 8:25 in the morning. It's hot. So today we're driving rather than taking the transport, just because the other day it took so long, and we've got the car here, so we may as well.
Because we're driving. It's been a few days.
It's nice, it's been nice. And there's just a great view here right now of the back of Tower of Terror as we head to Animal Kingdom. There's the signs. Disney Coronado Springs there, and the new building they're building there. And it's just a lovely, lovely day, isn't it?
Really nice. Clear blue skies, ready for Animal Kingdom. Perfect. It always seems to be really, really nice when we go to Animal Kingdom.
It does, yeah. The Winter Summerland miniature golf over there, right next to Blizzard Beach. So we're not sure on our plans for water parks this trip yet, but we may head over to one in the second week. Not sure on the calculations on this one. It's going to be close, I think, because they've got another line of people waiting there. So any minute they're going to start a new row. I don't know, guys, we are going to get sent down the row, so it's looking good. Yay! That is not bad.
I'm happy with that.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving, and supervise your children.
Excellent. Step all the way up.
And there was no annual pass line this morning. We're not sure if it's just not in this part today.
No, it wasn't the same last time.
Yeah, so
I don't think they put the annual pass holder line till much later. It's just too busy.
But I think it took about 10 minutes to get through, so it's not too bad.
Yeah.
So we are going to try and see if there's a photo pass photographer while the skies are perfect. And then head on down to some pictures in Pandora.
Yeah. day with a really nice ride on Navi. It said 10 minutes, but it was like 5. Yeah. It was pretty much walk on. So I think because they're both tier 1, if you do a fast flight passage but then head straight to Navi, then you'll be able to get on the flight passage as well, and both in one day. And when you come out of the exit, you get fantastic views of the floating island just above there. Yeah, so I think we're going to go and see what dinosaurs do now. Yep.
Mickey and Minnie. This photograph with Mickey and Minnie out there.
Hi Mickey, it's just filming, would you?
Oh, perfect. Thank you. Just recording? Yes. Oh, okay. Oops, sorry. They got him from Tokyo Disney. Isn't that cool? Perfect.
Thank you so much.
I would like to keep this. That is awesome.
Have a good day. Thank you.
We're steamed up. That was really good meat. Yeah. Yeah, I think we're steaming up. I think we're alright. That's just my glasses.
They loved our pass holders, didn't they?
Yeah, these are really good. Like, if you've got any accessories that the characters can look at, it's really good.
Really good, yeah.
So I think it took about 20 minutes. It was posted 10, but it took 20.
Yeah.
But it's still really good. I'm going to go and do Expedition
Everest now, yeah. And no doubt I'm going to feel queasy afterwards. Oh well.
Expedition Everest.
Maybe you find the front worse.
Maybe, but it's not a back. Yeah.
That was good.
Yeah. So for a change, I haven't come off Expedition Everest feeling absolutely queasy. That's got to be a first for me, I think. And it must be. I think it must be to do with sitting near the back, because normally we sit to the front.
I think because at the front, when you're going backwards, you get the fullest extent.
Yeah.
So I think the front's the best. Back's better if you can see.
So yeah, I'm gonna stick to the back from now on because I feel perfectly fine now, which is like never happens. So we are heading to
Dinosaur. It's roasting. I know we've talked a lot about the heat this trip, but I think Mitchell and Amanda described it well yesterday. It's about as hot as July. It's more like July weather.
And we're never here in July, so
yeah, I mean we've come this time of year for the last 8-9 years in a row, and I've never known it be this humid. But the sun is out, so we are happy.
We are happy. We're definitely not about to complain about sun, so no rain is good. It's good.
Director of the Dino Institute, and I hope you enjoyed those quaint exhibits in the old wing. That's how dinosaurs have been presented to the public since the study of fossils began over.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeger, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself. It alters the homing signal, and that's not good. Oh, and one more thing. Those locked coordinates? We're in. Now, here's the drill. You follow the homing signal to the iguanodon, then I'll enlarge the transport field, and boom, you're back with one additional passenger extra large. And don't worry about that asteroid. You'll be in and out of there before it even breaks the atmosphere. Trust me, what could go wrong? Hey.
So we just got a dinosaur, really good, wasn't it?
That was really good, yeah. So if you're not familiar with dinosaurs, it's kind of a bit rocky, isn't it?
Yeah, but really good fun, and one definitely we recommend. And it wasn't a long wait, and it's really cool in there.
Yeah, and don't forget to look right for the picture.
Yeah, I wasn't. This bag was coming off, so we'll insert the picture now. But I was looking down.
So the picture is taken to the right.
That is why I ask you, all of you, to please join us in our battle against poaching. Guamacho.
Asante Sana Warden. And as we like to say here in Harambe, Twende folks, let's go! Woo! Now Jumbo friends, my name is Keegan and I will be your safari driver for the day and the next 2 weeks, so I hope y'all are comfy back there and everyone came prepared. Hippo. Now a group of hippo are called a float walk along the bottom to move around. Their way of communication is called a wheeze honk. Please make sure to stay seated, folks. The above tree is known as the tree of life or the upside down tree. They will hold water in the base for months at a time, and they are often leafless to help conserve water. And lookouts. They can grow to be quite large. What'll happen is if one animal comes up and uses it as a scratching post, it'll file it down to the point where another animal can stand on top of it and use it as a lookout. Adult giraffes do stand up to 20 feet tall. Newborns usually stand about 6. Newborns can stand and walk within an hour after birth. It allows for blood circulation, keeps them nice and cool. Wait a second. It's like a built-in air conditioner. Right over here to the left-hand side, there are a few more giraffes. Now, giraffes don't spend much of their time sleeping. They will take many micro naps. Looks pretty sturdy. I think it'll hold us. We're fine. Just leaned a little too far left. We're almost off. Whew, we made it. I don't know who said that was sturdy back there. The females do all the hunting while the males guard the territory. A lion's roar can be heard up to 3 or 5 miles away. Sorry about that. Stripes. Well, folks, in fact, these zebra are mostly black with white stripes. You can tell that by looking at the tip of their nose. One swift hind kick from a zebra will break the jaw of an attacking lion. We're just gonna hold for this ostrich real quick, folks. 1, 2, 3. There we go, guys. Great job.
Did a good go on the safari.
Had a few close encounters with some ostriches.
Yeah. And now we're heading to our flight passage fast pass, so
yes,
we're heading there quite quickly.
Yeah, so we don't miss it, because that's one not to miss.
Yes. We're in Pandora.
Yeah. Thank you. So mega excited for this ride. This is like at the top of the list on this trip, isn't it?
Such a good ride.
Can't wait.
The current rate's under 80, so it's not too bad.
Yeah.
You've all been matched with avatars. Ooh, looks like they're ready for you in the next room. When the door opens, please go inside, all the way in, and stand over the same number that you stand.
Amazing. Absolutely love that ride. Best ride in Walt Disney World, I think.
Yeah, I think that's my favourite time riding it as well, because everyone was silent, so you could just really enjoy the whole ride.
Really take it in. So.
Such a good ride. Highly recommended.
No spoilers.
Yeah, so good. So we're running a little bit behind. We've missed our lunch reservation, so we called ahead and they were fine about it. Garden Grill, so we're going to try and schedule that for later.
Yes.
Just in this heat, just trying to get
from A to B,
yeah,
is very challenging. So
yeah, so always say is just allow lots of time, because like some of the rides, even with fast passes, you can still be half an hour or more.
Or more, yeah, because the whole experience from start to finish takes so much time.
Yeah, we weren't expecting it to be this hot, so we're going to head to the Rainforest Cafe now.
Which conveniently is right here.
Yeah, and just see if they've got any tables with us.
Yeah, we're just going to have a look to see if they can fit us in.
Hello.
Luke, yeah.
Hey, how are you?
Good, thanks, you.
What you got there? What is this little?
It's a wind muffler.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
it stops the wind noise, yeah.
With the largest one, we can fit a lot of the people in here.
So we got seated really quickly. Just picking our food now. We're like in an aquarium. Very cool. Chicken quesadillas, they're so good here.
This is Luke's absolute favourite.
They're so good. Really recommended. So we kind of started eating before we filmed our food.
We got a bit carried away.
You got a barbecue burger.
I got the barbecue bacon burger.
And I got a Rainforest burger.
And I can tell you, it is good.
It's good. Just got in the car. 105. So we're back in the car now. We had a really nice meal in Rainforest, didn't we?
Really nice meal, yeah.
Yeah, it's good. I mean, it is expensive in there for what it is. But the experience, if you've got kids and all the like thunderstorms, it's good, isn't it?
It is quite cool, and the animals move, and it's an awesome experience, yeah.
Yeah, so we're just heading back to the hotel now.
Maybe use some of the AC.
Yeah, maybe pop down to the pool. And then it's Mickey's Not So Scary later. Construction work there for Star Wars Land. Is that what it's called? Galaxy's Edge. Pool time. So we've got like the main pool there.
Windmill is so cool.
We've got some volleyball there. Lazy river. Here's the Stormy Long Bay pool. Really cool.
Yes, really good.
Lots of different areas to it.
I like the lazy river.
Yeah.